Eh bien, salut à tous. Aujourd'hui, on se retrouve pour le troisième épisode de ce let's play sur The Midnight Walk. C'est un jeu, du coup, comme vous l'avez pu le voir, un peu triste sur les bords, et vous n'avez pas tout vu pour le moment. Nous sommes sur le premier épisode. Vous allez voir que l'histoire qui va suivre parle un petit peu. La petite histoire, en fait, de la petite fille aux allumettes. Vous allez voir un petit peu les similitudes qu'il y a avec cette dite histoire. Je vous laisse regarder cet épisode. N'hésitez pas à ajouter un petit commentaire après avoir regardé du coup cette vidéo et un petit j'aime. Cela aidera la chaîne à se faire connaître. Je vous laisse du coup visionner ça tranquillement. Faites des pas de pattes. Ciao tout le monde. Allez, on court. D'ailleurs, elle est où ma maison? Normalement, ma maison elle est censée être là. Ah, elle est là. Donc il y a 6 chapitres. Parce que dans la maison, on peut justement regarder des films qu'on peut trouver. On peut écouter des musiques. Ah bah voilà.
There once was a freezing cat who was looking for shelter when she came across a dark cave. "Step into my abode," offered the dark. "It will warm you if you surrender your wants."
Ouais. Ah bon?
The dark's eyes were much too big and watchful for the cat's liking. She went on to find warmth somewhere else.
Ouais. Patch. Vas-y, go.
Then the cat saw it. Rooftops piercing the sky. Approaching the town, she was greeted by a crone. "Come, kitty, kitty, you must be tired. Sit in my lap, share your soft fur, and I shall warm you for a spell."
Donc ça c'est l'ombre qui est en train de nous regarder parce qu'on est en train de rallumer la totalité des feux. Dieu. Ok. Allez, ça sert à quoi? Ah ok. Take it.
Welcome to Coalhaven, newcomer. Good to see you flame in these parts again.
Il y a le bras qu'on peut
I'll
ramasser.
be your guide tonight. This furnace here, they used to run on coal and fire, don't you know? But a thief stole all our matches, wasted them in greed, you see. Now the ghost has come to smite the wicked and punish the thief who killed us. Well, I guess that's it. That's a tour on the house.
J'ai pas de monnaie, de quoi il parle? Donne-moi ça. Bras droit de la voleuse. L'obscurité n'aime pas l'oisiveté. Les os peuvent reposer dans la tombe de la...
Warms to our graves, and may the worms in our bellies dance.
Hein? Les morceaux du corps.
whole thing. Something's changing. That furnace was the soul of the city. We used to worship it, us coal miners did. Fed it trees and fire like it was a hungry, angry god.
Ma gueule, hein. Sans déconner. Cratch. Oh, elle est bleue. Oh, ça me fait une lampe torche. Rire. Nick. Bon, ici. Un là-bas. Hop. Et il est où vous faites mon petit truc depuis tout à l'heure là? Je vais te mettre un... Et par là. Elle est par là. Ah, même. La jambe de la voleuse. Boum. Y'a plus que le bras droit et la tête.
The thief loved the stars. Would have plucked them out of the sky if it were possible. But the dark itself stole her stars, turned the thief's sky as black as a cup of joe. And so the thief began to steal matches and lit them, hundreds of them, like little stars of her own.
Pendant ce temps-là, il y a le Tozo qui fait que de sourire.
Crooked path to the house on the hill lies open.
Ah! It burns! It burns! What's...
What the fuck?
This isn't my body. The fire, did we snuff it out? Where's... Did I save them?
Non.
The house. It's ruined. Well, it wasn't supposed to go down that way. They locked the door, threw the key into the woods. Huh. There was so much anger, and now there's nothing. This body is so uncomfortable.
La clé est dans les bois, super, j'ai que ça à foutre. Pardon.
I had a dream. There was a monster in the woods, with our door key dangling from its tail. I ran, tried to chase it, grab the key, and when I did, the creature turned around, and its face, it was the face of this whole town. The key, I have to find the key, in the woods, where the wild things rest.
Donc c'était la mère de la gamine qui a brûlé. Et ils ont foutu le feu à la maison en fait pour la brûler de... Ah non, ah putain, ils ont changé les textes. D'accord. Ces os s'accrochent à quelque chose qui n'est plus. Ils veulent reposer dans la tombe de la voleuse. Là t'as juste la première phrase qui change, le reste c'est pareil quoi. Donc la tête... Il se répète hein, donc... Il manque la tête.
With no matches left, we couldn't light the furnace. And the thief paid a terrible price for her burning greed. As the furnace died, one by one, so did we. But before we perished, the dark itself moved into our hollow husk, turning us cold and wicked. If I had a heart, I'd feel great shame for what we did. I'd feel great shame for what we did.
Celui qui fait les masques.
Oh, that voice. What I wouldn't give to hear her sing again. Those sweet, sweet tunes like fallen leaves of the trees that were. Such a waste. Such a shame. I wish I could hear her sing again. Just once. Just once.
Wow.
I ask, pray, beg for silence of the dead. But what does darkness give? A singing head. All of them dead like us, yes. But the song, it lingers.
La trappe. D'accord. La trappe chanson. Cette attrape chanson conserve la berceuse de la voleuse. Voilà ce que Pierre cherche. Non mais je voulais. Récupérer la tête. En fait, c'est. Enfin, c'est. C'est que des histoires tristes en fait. Hein. C'est pas un jeu d'horreur. C'est un jeu un peu cryptique, bon, avec des monstres, hein, mais.
Little soul, you charming little wanderer, my life's companion and body's guest. Where are you off to now? I don't know what I thought would happen. I feel a strange warmth, but just as coal runs deep in the earth, so is the shame a part of me, mine alone to bear.
I can't move.
On va rallumer le four.
The door to the flame is open. It's already there. You just haven't lit it yet. Now, if you don't mind, a little spark. And just maybe we'll be able to die for real this time. In life, I didn't mind a little loneliness, but this is the worst.
D'accord. Il est sorti je ne sais où. Ah. Musique du menu presque. Oh.
The blanket. Take it. It's so heavy. Release me. Remove the shroud. The blanket. Remove it. Light the match. The match. Light it. Please. One last star. Thank you.
Ah. C'est le chat qui veut dire. Et B. Ah.
The cat finally settled in front of a giant burning furnace. In its bright flames, she could glimpse a dark future. This did not matter to her, for now she was eternally warm and at peace.
Oula. Après le chat bus, le poisson chat bus. DR.
Burn still, and the fire has spread along the walk. The cold takes its toll, and Potboy's flame flickers. But it is still enough for the climb to Moon Mountain, to light the final fire. The road always leads to Moon Mountain. Hark! His fire belongs to the mountain. It came from beyond the moon. You have always been destined to burn.
Ah bon? C'est...
The soothsayers have spoken.